Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I will assist you in understanding the score feature in SameBar Multi-Condition and its impact on backtesting results. Score is a functional option within SameBar Multi-Condition, used to represent the cumulative score or weight of multiple signals within the same bar, aiding in determining when to trigger backtesting conditions. The maximum value of score is determined by the number of conditions. For example, when selecting two conditions, the maximum score value is 2. When score is set to 2, both of the selected conditions need to be satisfied simultaneously to trigger the signal. When score is set to 1, only one of the selected conditions needs to be satisfied to trigger the signal. Now, let's move on to the form section. Find the backtest for which you want to set the score and click on the Edit Backtest icon to modify the parameters. In the Parameter Settings interface, locate the Score option. As the default value for score is typically equal to the number of conditions, it is currently set to 2. Now, let's switch it to 1. Next, click the Run Backtest button to initiate the analysis. Once it's complete, you'll be taken to the Results tab, where the outcomes will be showcased. Let's compare the results with the backtest where score is set to 2. These two backtests have the same parameters. Upon closer examination of the summary data, it becomes evident that when score is set to 2 in the backtest, as it requires satisfying two conditions simultaneously, the frequency of trading occurrences may decrease, and the data is likely to change accordingly. When analyzing individual trades, we can observe that in the backtest with score set to 1, a trade occurred on November 12, 2008. However, in the backtest with score set to 2, no trade was triggered. The chart clearly shows that the second condition was met on March 9, 2004, but the first condition was not satisfied, resulting in no trade being triggered. Therefore, when configuring different score values in SameBar Multi-Condition, it's essential to consider your trading objectives and strategy characteristics to make a well-informed choice. Thank you for listening to this tutorial on how to grasp and utilize the score feature. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments section of this video.